Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be walking you through a very easy way to download, install, and set up Nessus using PimpMyKali from Dewalt. Without much talking, let's get started. Before we get started, I'd love to tell you that Nessus is a vulnerability scanner which is used to discover vulnerabilities in the network. So now you know what Nessus is. Let me show you how to download, install, and set it up. Okay. So yeah, in this instance, I'm going to assume that you already have PimpMyKali, but if you don't, just head over to Google, type in PimpMyKali, GitHub, and clone the GitHub repository from Dewalt. Okay. And you should have PimpMyKali. So if you have PimpMyKali, you just have to, let's see the content of PimpMyKali. You have to make this script an executable, okay? This PimpMyKali.sh is an executable. You don't have to do that. Just use the chmod, right, plus X to make it an executable. So after you've done the script to be an executable, you just have to run it by typing /PimpMyKali.sh, okay? And then hit on your enter, and the script is going to run and drop a series of options for you to choose or pick from. Okay, so here you have it. Here you have PimpMyKali. Looking at the bottom of this script, you can see you have install Nessus here, right? And to access this or to click this, you need to insert or type the @ sign. It says type the @ character for this menu item. So I'm just going to include I'm just going to type @ over here, and immediately it starts downloading Nessus. Okay, so one more thing I love about PimpMyKali, or one more thing I love about downloading Nessus or installing Nessus to PimpMyKali, is that after downloading it installs for you, and after installing it unpacks. So after unpacking it then activates the system service, okay, the Nessus service. So as you can see over here, it says enabling Nessus D service, and any moment from now you can see that the service will be activated. Okay, so it says here that Nessus D service is now active, and thank you so much Dewalt for this amazing scripts. Okay, so I just click on clear to clear the screen, and since we have Nessus already, we can just confirm it is active, okay, by simply using sudo space system ctl status to confirm the status. Now if I can spell status, and then Nessus d.service. Okay, as you can see guys, it's active and running. It started running about 43 seconds ago, so best believe it's the PimpMyKali guy that enabled it. Okay, all right, so after confirmation, what we need to do next is to access this UI of Nessus via our browser. Okay, so for me, I have Google Chrome on my Kali. In case you're wondering how, you can also use PimpMyKali to install Google Chrome on your Kali. So to access that, you just have to go type this command, and boom, you have your Google Chrome activated. So perfecto, we have our browser over here. So what we need to do is just type in https and 2 / localhost and the port of 8834. Okay, so Nessus exists on 8834. Click on enter, and it's going to prompt us to this privacy page. Click on advanced, and then click on proceed to localhost, because we already know what we are signing in for, right? Once we have our Nessus page, this is going to initialize. So this is going to take a moment or two to initialize, and after that we'll be able to create an account, get an activation code, and be able to get Nessus. So I'm going to use magic to just make this go faster, and then I'll be back when it finishes. Okay guys, so after it's done initializing, you have this welcome to Nessus page. So you want to click on continue. After clicking on continue, you want to click on essentials. Okay, essentials is the free version. Okay, so click on essential, then click on continue. Just create a first name. I'm just going to call Tofa over here, and the last name should be, let me just use YouTube. Okay, and add an extra U. So for the email, it's advisable to use a business email. Okay, so in case you have a business email, you can just head over to Google and just type in temp email, right? Use any email from a temporary email generator. Let me just use this guy. Okay, so please confirm that you're not a robot, and definitely I'm not a robot, even if I love Mr. Robot. Okay, so I'm just going to select this email and click on copy, head over to Nessus, and then select the email. Okay, Ctrl V to paste that there. So Ctrl V to paste that there, and then register. So as you can see, it's already gave me my activation code. Ctrl C to copy that as well, and then continue. So I just want to select the username now that would work. So I'm just going to go with YouTube Tofa. Okay, YouTube Tofa, and the password should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's my password, guys. I told you times without number, and then submit, and I'll be going through in a moment from now. Yes, so the setup has been complete. We have the username set, YouTube Tofa, and the password, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the activation code also has been set. So what is currently happening is the plugins that makes Nessus work is currently downloading. So if it crashes at this point, we can automatically download it. We can manually download it from our terminal. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see, the plugins is done downloading and it's just initializing again. This is just definitely take a few seconds or minutes. After that, we should be getting our Nexus up and running. Okay, so I think it's already working. I can see some loading signs over here. Okay, cool. Okay, so as you can see guys, we have Nexus up and running. The plugins are compiling, and yeah, it's all good to me. It's all good to me. So if you want to start a new scan, you need to wait for the plugins to compile first of all. So after compiling, you can create a new scan. This will be clickable, right? And yeah, not difficult at all. So peace out guys, and cheers. Hack safely, hackedly, happy hacking. Cheers guys, always happy to be of help if I can.